AI videos look impressive, but most of them feels like clips, not real filmmaking. But today I'm testing something different. This is Cinema Studio 2.0 by Higgsfield, and it claims to close the gap between AI clips and real cinematic filmmaking. So in this video, I'm going to create an actual short cinematic suspense scene from scratch using Higgsfield.ai. Watch the video till end. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing AI platforms focused on making powerful, creative tools truly creator friendly. Today, we are inside Cinema Studio 2.0 and their next generation AI video generator designed specifically for cinematic AI video and AI filmmaking is super. So friend, the dashboard looks like this. You can check Cinematic Studio 2.0. We will use this tool to create one AI video, okay? But everything starts with a hero frame. We first build our cinematic image before animating it. So what we'll do, we'll just write here a prompt. You can use your own prompt. Let's say I'm using this prompt. The prompt goes, a cinematic night scene of a man standing alone in a dimly lit apartment, holding glowing smartphone, suspense atmosphere, dramatic lighting, soft blue moonlight from window, shallow depth of field, realistic skin texture, cinematic composition, film still and high detail, moody shadows. Okay, and here is the frames 16:9 2K, and from here you can choose the camera angle that you want, but we will use the studio digital as 35. Okay, and we'll just hit the generate button. I'm choosing 35 mm lens with shallow aperture to create the cinematic blurred image background look, and you can check it's processing here. It will take some time. We'll wait till the image gets generated. As you can check, our image is ready. This will be our hero frame, the visual anchor of our story. After the image is ready, we'll just, you see, create 3D scene. We'll click here. And now I can actually explode this image as 3D environment. I can adjust perspective and refine the composition directly. Okay, as you can check, it's generating again. As you can check, it is ready. Okay, now we'll just check this, what is happening. You see, now here we can just change the settings also. Okay, if we do move, and all the functions will be finding it here. So we'll just leave this for a moment. Okay, we'll come back here, and now the final is we animate. So what we do, we just click here again. So once we come in animate, we will select manual multi-shot mode so that the looks professional. Just click here and it is multi-shot manual. And if you want, you can add some character also, like movements. If you come here, like statistic, and this is good, I think. Okay, and whatever you want to do, let's take this for no. Okay, 9 seconds is good enough. So here are more options available. If you want, you can just choose from one of them. Okay, and then everything when it is set up is done. We'll just check here and upload. Okay, let it be for now, no problem. And then finally everything is set up, is done. We'll just click on generate. I can direct who appears in each shot, assign emotions, and even generate automatic lip sync dialogue. This feels more like directing actors than just generating a clip. But for now, we'll just wait and check what is the generation happening. Till the video gets generated, just let me tell you, like we just selected multi-shot manual, right? And this generate based motion logic changes how scenes behave, suspense, slows movement, and builds tension. Next is adding character. Here you can just describe your scene, like hello, who is this, how do you know my name, who's outside. This will add to the lip sync. And then the shot plan. Short plan is like if you want to zoom in, zoom out, as I did just now, it is zoom out. So I can direct who appears in each shot, assign emotions and even separate automatic lip syncs. This is very good for the video generation, the next level AI generation. We'll wait until the video gets generated. So guys, finally the video is ready. We'll just play it loud. So first of all, I'll just, okay, I don't think the audio is ready. We'll just add audio while in production. We'll just add audio from the YouTube audio library. But for now, we can just play this video. Okay, we have got audio also. I was not expecting this. As you can check friends, this is wonderful. This video shot I have created with the help of AI. But there is one important thing I would like to tell you. While this video is generated, you can make many more changes. You can make many more changes. Okay, and if you want, you can just add few more things. Like there are options, batch size, you can just make 4 batch. Auto, you can just change this to this. Okay. So that is what I was telling. What's interesting is I can adjust speed during generation, not in post production. So now here, if you want to make any changes, this is the very good thing of this. I like it. If you want to make any changes pre-production, you can just change from here and add your own, and then you can just hit to recreate. Okay, and now the video is ready. I'll just download it and it will get downloaded in my media file. I will just use this wherever I want in my social media account. So this is how Cinema Studio 2.0 works. Like what makes Cinema Studio 2.0 different from other AI video generator is unified workflow. You start with a text prompt, generate a hero image, enter it as 3D scene, then turn it to a full cinematic sequence with multi-shot storytelling. If you are serious about AI filmmaking and creating cinematic AI videos, this tool feels much closer to real virtual production. But before creating any AI videos using the Cinematic Studio 2.0, there are few things that you must keep in mind. Okay, selecting lens, adjusting aperture, entering 3D scene using grid, choosing genre, multi-shot mode, adding character and emotion, adding dialogue, speed ramp, and finally the playback. So friends, this is all about Cinematic Studio. I would just like to tell you that Higgsfield AI do not have their official application, and this way you can use Higgsfield.ai to create your own AI cinematic video. The links you will be finding it in the description. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to YouTube channel, do subscribe to YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.